morning, guys. Welcome to a little day in my life vlog. It's 9 a.m. and yeah, I have class. I clipped my hair back and it looks a little rough.
Next time that save me. I'm walking.
I just got out of my 9 a.m. So far, so good. Good class, talking about feminism. I'm like trying to think of what I should work on right now. I have 1 hour until my next class because it's 11. I have sports and US history at noon. I just tracked my package and it should be here. I'm literally waiting for an email from the UPS store that I have a package to go pick up. I'm so excited. I got glitter eyeliner after watching Euphoria. Okay, just made lunch, which is basically breakfast. I have an egg and a hash brown from Trader Joe's. So this is my lunch. I got an email from Amazon saying Hi. This is so embarrassing. I'm literally vlogging. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm Hannah. Follow me on Instagram, Hannah SPP. That's what it is. I'm her sorority sister.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. But I haven't got the email from like the UPS store saying to go pick it up, so I'm not just gonna like pull up, so I'm waiting for that. But I really want to pick it up today because I have a bunch of places to go tomorrow and I really don't want to have to go to the UPS store too, so yeah. Also, I ordered some pictures from FedEx for my room because I still haven't done a room tour and I want to. I just want to like fix it up a little bit more. So I ordered some pictures off FedEx from this like TikTok thing I saw, and so I ordered some of these that I found on Pinterest. I'm really sad because I didn't print this one and I really wanted to, but I forgot about it. But yeah, so those should be ready tomorrow. That's another place I have to go to pick stuff up. I don't have class until 3. It's 1:21. Still no email from the UPS store. Just want my glitter eyeliner, but whatever. While I'm waiting, I think I'm going to do some forensic anthropology homework or notes. Also, like the lab that I'm gonna work on right now, I started it last Thursday, and because of that, the grades just sync on Friday. So it gave me a grade for this lab that I'm not done with, and it gave me a 6 out of 20. So it brought my A down to a B, and I'm so annoyed. So I'm gonna like try to finish it, so I at least know that that grade will be fixed. But yeah, I don't like this class. I just want to say, for this semester, I got Muji notebooks, which as you can see, they're like really thin. They're only like 30 pages or more. I don't know that for sure, but I never fill out an entire notebook for this semester. So I got these small mini ones, so I'm not wasting like a bunch of paper on a class that I'm only going to use like 10 pages. And I really like this more because it's a lot lighter to carry all my notebooks when I have to like go to the library or something. And it's a lot easier to fill these out than regular notebooks. So if you have that problem where you're just not using entire notebooks, but you still like use them to take notes, I would order some from Muji. They're really inexpensive and I think they're made of recycled paper. So that's really nice as well. I also really love the Muji pens. This is the notes with that pen. I love the Muji gel pens. It's like my new favorite. Okay, I literally turned my camera off and like set it down, and I got an email saying that I have a package. So what time is it? It's 1:30, so I'm gonna go pick up my package, guys, and I'm gonna bring you with me, but probably vlogging from my phone because I'm too embarrassed to carry this giant camera all the way to the UPS store. Anyways, I literally also just got an email as soon as I turned my camera off that my FedEx print order is ready. This is the best angle I can do right now, but I'm gonna open my glitter package. Here she is. What's glitter eyeshadow? But I'm gonna use it as eyeliner. Someone said this was a really good dupe for like the Stila glitter. It's justified. People were like, it's so small. The Stila one is exactly like the same size, so I'm like not mad about it. But very nice. So pretty. I'm so excited about this. Look how cute it looks. My stickers got here. So I first got this one, and it's like a tarot card, and it says just like magic, and it shows like the snap. From Marina and the Diamonds, Marina, she said, just found out the world doesn't revolve around me, shocked and upset. Love that, from 2013. Two other ones, and I got this one where it's a woman who has brown hair, and she's wearing pearls and holding a coffee, and she has like her bag and shoes, and she's just like on the go. I love that. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna focus. Sparkly butterfly moment. Okay, I just finished putting them on. I think it's so much cuter than it was before. I really like it, so I'm excited. Look at, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna start doing my forensic anthropology notes. All right, I just picked up my FedEx package that was ready earlier because class got out early, so I went to do that. So I'm gonna show you guys the pics I got for my room. So I have this one, that's Kourtney Kardashian, and she says, my vibe right now is just living life. Then I got this Sage, like, Powerpuff Girl heart moment. I have this car, I don't know what kind it is, I just like the color. I have the Divine Feminine, the New Yorker. I got these all off of Pinterest, by the way. Got this Ariana Grande one, and then I got this one. I don't even, what does it say? You're worthy of all the things you want, even the things that feel out of reach. And I got this one because I thought it was pretty. And then I printed my vision board so I could actually hang it in my room. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm outside right now. I'm gonna study with Emily. Oh my gosh, you're blurry. Okay guys, this is my dinner. I have a little pizza, a vitamin water, and some cheddar jalapeno Cheetos. Very nice. Okay, well, I don't even know it. I think it's 8 o'clock, but I am going to finish this assignment real quick for my public speaking class, and then I'm probably going to brush my teeth and go to bed because I'm really tired and I have to go to the gym tomorrow. But thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I will see you in my next video. Peace.